how's it going guys? I'm back again with a $300 gaming PC build. This time with this build you will be able to play games at 720p medium to lower settings and still get the decent amount of frames per second. So the performance you'll get from this build will be like this. In Battlefield 4 at 720p medium settings you will get 40 fps average. With VSYNC off and with mantle 14.7 you'll get 60 average fps in Battlefield 4. In Tomb Raider at 720p medium settings you'll get average 49 fps. In Dirt 3 at 720p medium settings you will get average 78 fps. So let's get right into the build. For the processor of this build I chose Intel Pentium G3220 3.0 GHz. It's a 22 nanometer dual core processor that runs at 54 watt and it has 3 megabytes of L3 cache, and it's only $54. For this build I think this is a really good processor. For the motherboard I chose ASRock H81 DGS R2.0. it has Intel H81 chipset and it supports LG1150 socket processors, so you will be able to upgrade to an i3 or an i5 in the future if you want. And it also has 2 RAM slots supporting up to 16 gigabytes of 1600 MHz RAM. Speaking of RAM, for RAM I chose G-Skill NS series 1 stick of 4 GB. It's DDR3 1600 MHz and its cache latency is 11. It's only $35. For the graphics card of this build I chose Asus R7 250. It has 384 stream processors and it has 1 GB of video memory and it's only $75. For the storage of this build I chose Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. It's a 1TB hard drive and I think it's all you're gonna need for this build, and it's only $51. For the power supply of this build I chose a power supply that comes with a case. Usually I would not recommend a power supply that comes with a case, but with this build you will be just fine with this power supply. For case I chose Cooler Master TC102. It's a mid-tower ATX case that comes with a 500 watt power supply and it's only $38. Now that's my $300 gaming PC build guys. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. If you did not like this video, hit the dislike button and comment below why didn't you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.